Good evening, good morning, good afternoon, depending on where you are in the world. I would like to present to you Module 5 of what I learned from Network Defense Essentials. And I would like to mention that if you haven't seen the first 4 of my videos, that is Modules 1 through 4, which I can show you here. First one is Network Security Fundamentals, and then Identification, Authentication, Authorization, Network Security Controls, Administrative Controls, and Network Security Controls, Physical Controls. If you haven't watched those first 4, I recommend that you do that first, as this course is cumulative and foundational, which means that in order for you to understand the latest one, you'll have to understand the previous ones. Now let's talk about Module 5 first. Now with Module 5, we're talking about network security controls as it relates to technical controls. Here are some key points that I learned from this module. First one is understanding network segmentation and its types. This refers to all the segments on the network and all of its types, what they are, where they are in the network, what they are in their function. It's important to understand that, and that's what I understood from this module. Second one is understanding the different types of firewalls and their roles. If you remember from basic networking what a firewall is, well, we have different types of firewalls and their roles as their types. Also, I understood the different types of IDS and IPS and their roles. Okay. Also, the overview of different, and I saw an overview of different types of honeypots. This is honeypots. I won't give you the full details, but honeypots is a tactic that network security professionals use to trap hackers. And it gives and they talk about different types of honeypots and how they're used, etc. Also, I was able to understand different types of proxy servers and their benefits. Remember, from proxy servers, this is the connection point from going into the network instead of going directly to the file server. The proxy server goes out. It does that point for users going to the proxy server. Also, I understood the fundamentals of virtual private networks, or VPNs. Now, their importance on network security. You've probably used them before. That's basically when you want to use a private network, in this case a virtual private network, to be able to send and receive information encrypted and a more secure way of surfing or using the internet. And the importance on network security. Why is it important in network security? Also, I went through an overview of the Security Incident and Event Management, SIEM, and User Behavior Analytics, or UBA. Okay, so I recommend that you do go through that to get a better understanding, but tells us what that is. Also, I did an overview of various antivirus and anti-malware software. Okay. So we have various types of antivirus that protects you against viruses, and also malware, which is also malicious software to get information from you. And then I went through an overview of both the antivirus and anti-malware software. Alright, so that will do it for Module 5. Right after this, I will upload for Module 6, so stay tuned for it. So I'd like to thank you for taking the time to watch this video, as you could be watching any IT-related video, but you're watching mine. So I do greatly appreciate it, as this did provide value for you to go through Network Defense Essentials Module 5, that is for Network Security Controls, Technical Controls. What I'd like you to do is please click like on the video. That way I'll be pushing the algorithm and more people will be able to view it and enjoy it. If you haven't already, please click the subscribe button. That way I'll have access to all the content on this channel, as I have a variety of topics on this channel for you to learn from and enjoy learning the topics. And also, if you haven't already, please click the bell button. That way you'll be notified of all my future videos. That way, when a new video comes out, you'll be notified accordingly. So I'd like to wish you a great day wherever you are in the world. Take care, and I'll certainly talk to you next time with Module 6. Stay tuned.